Honor has just launched a new high-end tablet called Honor Pad 9 Pro. Its screen is 12.1 inches, making it a massive tablet, and this screen has a 144 Hz refresh rate. But let me tell you the rest of the specs. This screen is LCD, so in that sense it's not too impressive, but its resolution is 2560 x 1600 pixels. The integrated processor is the MediaTek Dimensity 8100, and it has up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It is equipped with macOS 8.0 and Android 14 and has a 10,050 mAh battery that supports 35W charging. It also includes 4 speakers, so it should offer a very good experience. Although it is quite curious because despite having the word Pro in its name, I feel it is not a fully high-end tablet because it does not have an AMOLED display. Situated on the back is a 13-megapixel camera, while on the front we can see a 5-megapixel camera. It has a thickness of 6.64 mm and weighs 589 g. It also offers Wi-Fi, 6 connectivity, and a USB-C port. Available in 2 colors, Starry Gray and Sky Blue, at a price of 21.99 yuan. But remember that prices here are not the same as those over there. This tablet was introduced in China, so we will need to wait for a global launch, and it is important to remember that the price could potentially double when leaving that country.